Instead of a swimsuit, there are just splashes of paint. Demi Rose sunbathes in such a way that it will take your breath away. The famous model continues to amaze with her revealing images. Today's social media world is filled with talented and creative individuals willing to share their lives and passions with millions of followers. One of these internet stars is Demi Rose, who is called the British Kim Kardashian, the former participant of the famous reality show in England, and now a model, DJ and fashion influencer, is famous not only for her talents, but also for her stunning appearance, or rather, a stunning figure with an incredibly thin waist, a very full, firm bust, and a butt larger than Kim Kardashian's. You can't take your eyes off Rose's curves. The model constantly gives reasons to admire her figure. The sultry brunette loves tiny outfits, transparent dresses, and other wardrobe items on the verge of decency, and sometimes this very line is even crossed. Like now, Rose also loves to surprise her subscribers with candid photos in lingerie or a bikini, and she really has something to show. On her social networks, the girl does not just share candid photographs, but approaches this with a dose of creativity. In the last photos, Demi looked especially impressive. Instead of another sexy swimsuit, she was wearing nothing at all, only white paint applied in patterns all over her body, and a white beaded wig that complemented the look. A real storm broke out in the comments. Some advised Rose to cover herself with something, and it was better not to post such photos to the public at all. But most of the star's subscribers were delighted. Of course, among them there were mostly men.